Hey, Guide.
Hey, how can I help you? Welcome to GYDE AI, your personal concierge for seamless luxury travel. How can I assist you?
I want to go to New York for a UN event 2 days before the main assembly day.
Understood. You'll need arrangements beginning 2 days before the main assembly. Based on your schedule, I see 5 RSVP'd events related to the UN assembly. Are you still planning to attend all 5?
Yes, I'll attend them all.
Got it. Here's the agenda I'll arrange for you: travel and accommodations. A private car will pick you up from your current location and take you to the airport. Flight reservations will be made to ensure you have ample time to settle in and rest before the events. Hotel accommodations are reserved within proximity to the UN building. For the view, would you prefer a suite overlooking the East River or a quieter room?
East River view, please.
East River Suite selected. I'll arrange express check-in with tailored amenities to match your needs. Based on your secure preferences, I've arranged a secure armored vehicle for your transportation in New York. This ensures both privacy and safety throughout your stay. Is anyone else accompanying you for these events so I can make any adjustments?
Yes, a friend will be joining.
Understood. I'll make necessary adjustments for 2 in the vehicle and coordinate access for your friend at the event venues. I'll also grant them access to your GYDE calendar for this specific event, so they stay up to date without receiving notifications about any other plans. Here's how I'll structure your stay for a seamless experience: event notifications and reminders. I'll add each event to your GYDE calendar, complete with reminders and timely notifications, ensuring you stay on track for every engagement. Secure ground transportation. Your armored vehicle will be ready at each destination, providing you and your friend with secure transit to all scheduled locations, including the hotel and event venues. Dining and refreshments. Based on your schedule, I'll arrange meal reservations for energizing breaks and can also prepare in-car refreshments for any quick transfers. Would you like some meal suggestions?
Yes, keep the options simple but energizing.
Great choice. I'll finalize everything by the end of the day, and you'll receive a comprehensive itinerary shortly. You'll have the opportunity to review, approve, or make any adjustments. Final summary: travel and accommodations, private car pickup, flight bookings, East River Suite reserved with express check-in, event notifications and security, all 5 events scheduled with reminders, secure entry checks and access credentials. Secure transportation, armored vehicle booked exclusively for you and your friend with in-car refreshments. Dining, energizing meal options prepared for scheduled breaks. You'll receive the full itinerary shortly with an option to approve or adjust. Safe travels.